Hello friends, welcome to the tutorial series of Python programming. In this tutorial, we will learn about how to create a decision in Python programming using some conditional, just like if-else statements, else-if statement, and so on. Let's start with Python if-else statement. What is if-else statement in Python? Simply, if-else statement can be defined as the process of making a certain decision. Decision making is required when we want to execute a code only if a certain condition is satisfied. The if, else if, and else statement is used in Python for decision making. Let's see a syntax for Python if statement. Just like if any test expression is over here, it's satisfied, then it should gives out certain statement over here. This is the simple syntax over here. Here in this program, how the program is evaluated is the program evaluates the text expression and will execute the statement only if the text expression is true. If the test expression is false, the test statement is not executed. In Python, the body of if statement is indicated by the indentation. We have learned about indentation in previous video. If you don't know what is indentation, you can look over the previous video. The body start with an indentation and define on indented line mark at end. The Python interprets non-zero value as true and non and zero interpret as false. It's just like if 1 is in the value, then it interprets it as true, and if 0, it interprets as a false. Now let's try with some example for if statement. Just like if I define number equal to 3, if number is greater than 0, then just try to print the number is a positive number, that is it is greater than -1. Just like if not, then print this is always printed. Yeah, now just have a look. You can see over here, yeah, 3 is a positive number. You can see over here, this is the positive number. This is the if statement. Now just if I try for another one, if I make it -1, and if I do like this, and if I print it, if I run the code, you can see over here, this is always printed, means that the condition is false and it's directly executed over here. If the condition in the first case, just like over here, the condition was true and it executed that the 3 is a positive number, that the assigned number over here, which is assigned in a variable num, the num comes over here and it's printed out this output. Just like let's have a look for another example. Just like you can have a look over here. If true, then you can print over here, you can print my name is Sushant. Yeah, you can have a look over here. If I do like this and just remove this head over here and just try to run this code over here, sorry, it says the parenthesis. Oh, I haven't provided bracket over here. You can see over here, this is the parenthesis over here. Then if I try to run this one, you can see over here my name is Sushant is printed over here. And just like if just like for another example, let's try If 2 plus 2 equal to 4, then you can see over here print, yeah, this is correct. Yeah, you can have a look over here. Oh, just wait, it's okay, this one over here, and you can have a look. Now you can have a look over here. Yeah, this is correct, since 2 plus 2 equal to 4, this is correct. If I write 5, what will it occur? You can see over here. Yeah, see over here, nothing occur, because this is the condition is false, simply false. This is this if else statement. This is the certain scenario for if else statement, sorry, for if else statement. Let's have a look for if else statement now. Just like for the simple syntax for if and statement is like this one. If test expression, if the given test expression is correct, body of if, you can write any condition over here, else you can write the body of else over here. You can see, you can assume that if this condition is satisfied, if this condition comes true, then this portion will be executed, else this portion will be executed over here. Now let's try with using example over here. Just do like this. If number is equal to 3, if num is greater than 0, greater than equal to 0, yeah, greater than equal to 0, print, what we have to print over here, positive or 0. Yeah, you can look over here, else you can see over here print and is negative number. Yeah, just try to run it. Let's see, positive or 0, because we have assigned this 3. Just let's try for by providing -1. You can see over here it should give negative number, because we have provided the negative number over here. This is the condition that if number is greater than or equal to 0, because it does not satisfy this condition, so it just goes into this print statement. It's directly moves towards else statement. Try more example for this one. Just like if a equal to 1, and just like write a condition, if a equal to 3, or a equal to 4, or a equal to 6. Yeah, just print yes, or else print no. Yeah, you can have a look over here. If I try to execute this one, you can see over here no is over here, because it doesn't satisfy the condition. The condition comes out false, so it gives out no. If I tried for 3 over here, then you can have a look over here, it's print out yes, because the condition is satisfied over here. Now let's move towards if and else statement in Python. I will write certain the syntax for this is if test expression is correct, it will give a body of if. Likewise, else test expression over here, it will provide body, oh sorry, it is some problem, body of else if. Yeah, or else, oh sorry, not here, else, it's else if over here, else you can have a body of else over here. Program this this syntax says that if it allows us to check for multiple expression. If condition is false, it checks the next condition of else if, and so on, it checks for else. Now let's look at the example over here. Just like if number is equal to here, if number is greater than 0, yeah, it will print out positive number over here. Else if number is equal to 0, yeah, you can have a look over here, it will gives out print 0, just like else print negative number. Yeah, have a look, just have a look over here. Now what will it output? You can have a look over here. Yeah, see, it's output the positive number. Just try by assigning 0 to the variable. You can have a look over here, it's print out 0 and so on. If I provide -1, it should print out negative number over here. Yeah, this is the else if statement. Now let's have a look over the nested if. What is nested if? We have if and else statement inside another if and else statement, then it is called nesting in computer programming, and it is called nested if statement. Now let's have a look about the program where we input a number. If the number is positive or negative or 0, and display an appropriate message, just like now let's have a look over here. Let's try to input the number. Let's enter a number over here. Yeah, you can have a look over here. If number is this one, you can print 0 over here. Else you can print positive number. Oh, not this should be over here in the inner portion. And else print negative number. Now just try to print. Okay, sorry, it's a small error over here. Oh, sorry, I did not provide two if statement over here, just like this one over here. If number is equal to 0, it should be provided over here. Yeah, you can have a look. Now small indentation over here. Okay, let's try to run this one. Yeah, enter a number. If I enter 0, you can see over here it's print out 0. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Now let's run over here. If I print out 5, it should give out positive number. Yeah, it gives out positive number. And just like if I provide -1 over here, it simply gives out negative number. This is the scenario for condition if else. In the next chapter, we will look after the loop in Python programming. Thanks for watching. Thank you.